How to get rid of facial hairs naturally at home. An issue that plagues any woman is facial hair. For obvious reason, women go to extreme measures and spend lots of money to ensure that the hair is removed and does not return. The facial hair, while not harmful, can cause self-esteem issues and may be quite unsightly if it is unwanted. Many women have discovered benefit in laser treatment and commercial hair removal creams. However, many have had rashes and redness afterwards. Today we will give you a recipe that has been used in the Middle East for hair removal for many years. Not only it will remove unwanted hair, but it will make your skin bright, healthy and smooth. The majority of the people that have tried this are extremely happy with their results. The recipe that we are going to share is high in essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. This is very powerful combination and so beneficial to your skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of oatmeal paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Preparation: crush the oatmeal to the fine powder and then mix all the ingredients into a thick paste. Apply the mixture onto the desired area and leave it out for 15 minutes. Wash your face with warm water and you are done. Apply some moisturizer afterwards and repeat the procedure 2 to 3 times a week for a month. You will notice the hairs disappearing gradually.